It's 2 a.m, and while the world sleeps peacefully, your mind is conducting its own chaotic board meeting. It's racing through tomorrow's to-do list, replaying an awkward conversation from the previous week, worrying about your teenager's antics, and remembering the phone call you should have made to your mum. Again. Does this sound familiar? Does your brain feel like it has 47 browser tabs open simultaneously, each one playing a different tune of anxiety, to-do lists, and endless mental chatter? If you're nodding, take a deep breath, because you're not alone. But more importantly, you're not broken. Here's something that might surprise you. 8 out of 10 women experience this same mental overwhelm. It's silently stealing your sleep, sabotaging your focus, and leaving you feeling emotionally drained even when you should be resting and relaxing. But the good news is, mental clutter isn't a character flaw or something you inherited. Neither is it a sign that you're too sensitive or just can't handle stress. Mental clutter has specific, identifiable root causes, and once you understand them, you can actually do something about it. Hello, I'm Dr. K, a naturopathic doctor and humanistic psychologist with over 37 years of experience helping women just like you reclaim their peace of mind. I've worked with a multitude of women who felt destined to live with mental overwhelm, and I'm here to tell you this simply isn't true. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 biggest culprits that are creating chaos in your mind and share simple science-backed solutions that can transform those mental chaos into clarity within minutes, not months. Understanding what lies behind your mental clutter is the first step to addressing the issue. Once you identify the causes and apply the solutions here, everything changes. You'll sleep better, think clearer, and be more present in your daily life. Now, I encourage you to watch the entire video to the end, because I'm going to share a groundbreaking UCLA study that'll offer some insights on the impact of mental clutter on your physical health. The results will astound you. Now let's get to it, shall we? Cause number 1, digital overwhelm. The problem: constant notifications, endless scrolling, and information overload from social media, news, and digital devices create a state of perpetual mental stimulation. Simple solution: implement digital boundaries. Designating phone-free times and spaces into your day will give you some control over digital bombardment and create breathing space for you. Take, for instance, Sarah, a 36-year-old marketing manager who started putting her phone on flight mode for the first hour after waking up. Within 2 weeks, she noticed her morning anxiety decreased by 70%, and she started her days feeling calm and focused instead of immediately reacting to emails and social media drama. Cause number 2, the mental load of invisible tasks. The problem: you bear the cognitive burden of remembering, planning, and managing household and family needs, even when others help out. Simple solution: create what I call an external brain system. It can be a comprehensive digital or a physical planner where you dump every thought, task, and responsibility. Maria, a mother of 3, started using a simple app to track everything from grocery lists to her kids' dentist appointments. After 1 month, she reported sleeping better because her mind was no longer her only storage system. Her stress-related headaches, which she'd had for years, completely disappeared. Cause number 3, perfectionism paralysis. The problem: setting impossibly high standards can often create constant self-criticism and rumination about not being good enough. Simple solution: practice the good enough rule. Identify which task truly needs to be excellent versus that which just needs to be completed. Here's an example. Jessica, a freelance designer, applied this to her client work by categorizing projects as showcase quality versus professional quality. This reduced her project completion time by 40% and eliminated the chronic fatigue she'd experienced from overanalyzing every detail. Her income actually increased because she could take on more clients. Cause number 4, unprocessed emotions. The problem. Pushing down feelings instead of acknowledging them often creates emotional backlog that surfaces as mental clutter. Simple solution. Do a daily 5-minute emotional check-ins, naming and briefly journaling what you're actually feeling. This is highly effective for clearing your mind of daily barrage of emotions. Take Lisa, who struggled with anxiety for years as a result of unprocessed emotions. She started implementing this simple practice during her lunch break. Within 6 weeks, her panic attacks stopped entirely because she addressed the stress signals before they accumulated into overwhelming blocks. She described feeling emotionally present for the first time in years. Cause number 5, lack of clear priorities. The problem. If you don't have defined priorities, everything you do will feel urgent and important. This will result in having constant decision fatigue and wear you out, not just mentally, but physically. Simple solution. Use the rule of 3. For each day, choose to work on only 3 priority tasks that truly matter, and everything else is secondary. I encouraged my client, Amanda, a busy executive and single mum, to implement this solution. She found that focusing on just 3 daily priorities actually helped her accomplish more than using her previous 12-item daily lists. Her energy levels increased dramatically, and she started having evening time to actually relax instead of collapsing from exhaustion. Cause number 6. Physical clutter reflecting mental state. The problem. Disorganized physical spaces create visual noise that translates to mental noise and renders it difficult to focus on tasks. Simple solution. The 10-minute daily reset. Spend 10 minutes each evening clearing and organizing your most used spaces. My client Rachel implemented this in her home office and bedroom. After 3 weeks, she noticed her concentration improved so much that she finished work earlier every day. The mental clarity from organised spaces helped her feel more creative and less scattered in all areas of her life. Cause number 7, the comparison trap. The problem. Constantly measuring yourself against others, especially on social media, creates endless mental chatter about inadequacy. This is harmful to your emotional well-being. Simple solution. Practice personal progress tracking. Keep a weekly log of your own growth and wins, regardless of what others are doing. Emily, who repeatedly struggled with social comparison, started a simple voice memo practice where she recorded 3 personal wins each Friday. After 2 months, she noticed she'd stopped checking social media compulsively and felt genuinely proud of her own journey. Her self-confidence soared, impacting everything else, from her relationships to her career advancement. Well done for watching the video to this point. For more support, here's what I want you to do. Pick just one of these solutions, the one that speaks to you, and commit to trying it for just 1 week. Don't try to fix everything at once, because that's just another mental clutter. Start small, build the momentum, and watch how one clear space in your mind creates room for more clarity somewhere else. Comment below and tell me which solution you're going to try first. I read every single comment and love hearing from you. Let me now share the eye-opening study I promised. It'll forever change how you think about mental clutter. A groundbreaking study by UCLA on families found that women who lived in cluttered environments had elevated stress hormone cortisol levels throughout the entire day. But here's the incredible part. After clearing the clutter, their cortisol levels reduced by up to 20%. This means lower blood pressure, better immune function, improved sleep, and reduced risk of heart disease, all from organising your mental and physical space. This isn't just about feeling better, it's literally healing your body from the inside out. Wow, what do you say to that? Every single solution I have shared in this video has the power to lower your stress hormones and improve your physical health. You're not just decluttering your mind, you're giving yourself the gift of a healthier, longer life. Your mind is like a garden. It's not about having the perfect soil, it's about consistently tending to what grows there. The science proves that when you clear the clutter, your body heals. If this video has helped you realise you're not the only one struggling with mental overwhelm, share it with another woman who needs to hear the message. Click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to receive more encouraging videos that support your well-being. Now go reclaim your mental space and transform your health. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye for now.